Have you ever wondered about the journey of Decathlon from a single store to a global sports retail giant? It's a tale that begins in the year 1976 in Lille, France, when a man named Michel Leclercq had a vision. He dreamt of a retail store where sports enthusiasts could find everything they needed under one roof. And so the first Decathlon store was born, offering a wide range of sports equipment at affordable prices. The success of the initial store led to rapid expansion across France. By the time the 1980s rolled around, Decathlon began to venture internationally, opening stores in Germany and Spain. It was during this period that Decathlon started to focus on innovation and self-sufficiency. The company adopted a vertically integrated business model, designing, manufacturing, and selling its own products. This strategy allowed Decathlon to maintain high standards of quality while keeping costs low. Over time, Decathlon created numerous in-house brands, each specializing in different sports, such as Quechua for hiking and Kipster for team sports. As the 1990s and 2000s unfolded, Decathlon expanded globally, establishing a presence in Asia, the Americas, and Africa. Key markets included China, India, and Brazil. A commitment to providing affordable, high-quality sports equipment to a diverse range of customers bolstered the company's global reach. Decathlon stores were designed to offer an immersive shopping experience. Customers could test products in dedicated areas for various sports, ensuring they found the right equipment for their needs. This hands-on approach helped build customer trust and loyalty. Recognizing the importance of e-commerce, Decathlon invested heavily in its online platform. A seamless shopping experience complemented its physical stores. This digital transformation enabled the company to reach even more customers and adapt to changing shopping habits. Decathlon made a commitment to sustainability by developing eco-designed products and reducing its environmental impact. The company used recycled materials and implemented initiatives to minimize waste. Moreover, Decathlon engaged with communities by organizing sports events and workshops to promote active lifestyles. Despite competition from other sports retailers and online platforms, Decathlon stood out with its focus on affordability, quality, and customer experience. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Decathlon quickly adapted by enhancing its online presence and implementing safety measures in stores. Looking ahead, Decathlon continues to explore new markets and expand its product range. The company's vision remains to make sports accessible to everyone, fostering a love for physical activity across the globe. With a steadfast commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction, and sustainability, Decathlon is well positioned for continued growth and success. From a humble single store in Lille to a global sports retail giant, Decathlon's journey is a testament to relentless innovation, customer focus, and a dedication to making sports accessible to all. Whether you're an amateur athlete or a professional, the story of Decathlon is a reminder that with the right vision, determination, and passion, anything is possible.